Alright, I'm videoing it. We're opening our present that we got in the mail from Grandma. See if Xander can get it open. How's it going, Xander?
Good.
You think you got it? You need to slice it at just at the corners, and then you should be able to open it. There.
Valentine's stuff. Valentine's. What's this for me?
Does it have your name on it?
Look, this box Max.
It says Molly.
Molly. This is you, Voodoo. No,
It's for Mommy and Daddy. There's Molly's. What do you think's in there, Xander? You don't know what's in that box?
Mommy, what is this?
It's for Valentine's Day. You gonna open yours? See what's in there.
A big letter. This is for me.
Yeah.
Look at that. A rocket ship. What's in it? I can look at this is the biggest.
Woo, that's really nice.
Oh, look at this. There's two.
Oh, that is really cool, Xander.
Very good. This is the biggest. You can do that.
He says, where's mine?
Next thing, get one.
There's nothing for Max?
This is yours.
It is his. All right, Max. We gotta open that up.
Mommy,
He likes.
he wants my Swarovski.
He did. He liked it. It's pretty shiny.
I got very salty thing. I taste it.
Max, here's your card. I'll give this to you to look at. For you, grandson. It's your first Valentine's Day.
These are candies.
They're candies. Do you think you're gonna eat them?
Yes. Do you want to look at my candies? Whoa.
Whoa, whoa.
Candy. Wow. They all look good.
Mommy,
Mommy, I can't get my